Welcome back to Finance Shares. How to calculate stock's dividend. Calculating stock dividends involves a simple formula. You need two pieces of information: the dividend per share and the number of shares you own. Here's how you can calculate the dividend amount. Determine the dividend per share. The dividend per share is the total amount of dividends paid by the company divided by the total number of outstanding shares. You can usually find this information in the company's financial statements or on financial websites. Calculate your dividend amount. Multiply the dividend per share by the number of shares you own. This will give you the total dividend amount you will receive. For example, let's say the dividend per share is $2.50, and you own 100 shares of the stock. To calculate your dividend amount, dividend per share equals $2.50, number of shares you own equals 100. Dividend amount equals dividend per share asterisk number of shares. Dividend amount equals $2.50 times 100 equals $250. Therefore, your dividend amount for that particular stock would be $250. Keep in mind that dividend payments can vary over time and are subject to change based on the company's financial performance and dividend policy. It's important to stay updated with the latest information from the company or consult with a financial advisor for accurate and current dividend calculations. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.